Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to receive a confirmation that your parking session has ended on the EasyPark application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen, then click on the second option, which is settings. Tap on notifications, then scroll down to the parking ended section, and here you can set a notification when your parking session has ended. So tap on this push notification button, meaning that it has been turned off, so you will receive a notification when it has ended. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.